Welcome back to a new video. So today we're going to do a little deep cleaning of the refrigerator because I have not done it for so long and it needs done. And currently gonna heat up my husband some breakfast burritos so we can finish those bad boys off. And then we're gonna get started on deep cleaning the fridge and the freezer. I was trying to show you guys a little bit of the before. It's actually really dirty. I want to take everything out. We're gonna make some dishwater here. So yeah, that's normally, and then just like a microfiber cloth or something just to wipe out the fridge. That's how I like to do it anyways. But I'm gonna take everything out, all the drawers, all the food. We're gonna set it up all over here, probably on the counter, and get that bad boy cleaned out. We're gonna do a little reorganizing. I don't really have like fridge organization bins or anything like that, but I'm just going to try to organize it the best way that I can without stuff like that, you know. So hope you guys enjoy this video and get some motivation, and let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so I'm only going to talk a little bit here in the beginning of the video and just kind of explain the rundown of what we're going to be doing in today's video, but my kid is actually sick right now, so there's a lot of background noise. We got Mickey on the TV, we got his little noise machine on, so it's kind of noisy in the background. So I don't want to make this too long of a voiceover, but I'm trying to do the best I can. I'm here alone today, and I really want to get this video posted today for you guys. So I'm just now getting to do my voiceover. We've been sick, so I'm a little bit behind on everything, but we got medicine, so we're starting to feel better. If you guys want to check out my vlog channel, be sure to go over there. I just posted a new video kind of giving like a life update. But also, if you are new to this channel, my name is Brandy. Thank you guys so much for stopping in to checking out my videos. It really means a lot. I hope you guys like what you see here. If you do, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Also, give me a thumbs up if you do like these types of videos. But whenever I clean out my fridge, the first thing I like to do is to start by taking everything out, so that way it's out of my way and I can kind of see what I need to do. Now my racks in the fridge, I take completely out today, which I've never really done before. I do normally take out my drawers and I'll wash those, but I actually take out the racks that are kind of set in the fridge, like where we set like our milk and everything. They have glass on them, so I really wanted to take them out because they had tea stuck underneath of them and it was real sticky and nasty. So I just wanted to get that all nice and cleaned up and really get this done really well, so that way it'll last even longer. I don't know about you guys, but this is one of those things that I kind of dread doing, just because it's like one of those projects that are more of a deep clean. So I'm kind of showing you guys a little bit of that tea spill. My husband always spills his tea in here. It ends up all over everything. So that is mainly the dirtiest part of inside the fridge, I feel like. And then up on the top shelf, the milk sometimes will get nasty. But other than that, I try to keep up with things the best I can so I don't have to do like hard scrubbing, you know, because I don't like doing that. But we're just gonna start by running some dishwater here in the sink, and I'm just using Dawn dish soap. Works great. I got my little rag. I'm gonna use a microfiber cloth because I felt like it would do a really good job. Sometimes I'll add bleach, but in today's video I'm wearing a black sweatshirt and that's really not a good idea. But you can use whatever cleaner you want to clean your fridge, whatever you like. You guys can see these little racks have glass that come off. The top two one, for some reason, the glass don't come out so easily. I'm not really sure how to get that out, and I didn't want to mess with it too much because I was afraid I would break it. But I just like to scrub them down really well, and then we're just gonna rinse them and let them, and then I take a I was gonna say air dry, but I didn't have time for that in today's video, so I just took a towel and dried them really well before I put them back in the refrigerator. But toward the end of this video, you guys are going to see me pull out the refrigerator, and I like to do that every 6 months to a year, and I think it's been about a year since I've pulled it out. So I also like to do that to my stove and even my washer and dryer. So if you guys want to see some like deep cleaning, stay tuned, because I got all kind of stuff I want to do in my house. A lot of organizing, a lot of deep cleaning this spring that I want to do and get things taken care of, because things just get out of control so fast. And there's just a lot that I could do. So I hope if you guys want to see that kind of stuff, like I said, make sure that you come back. I like to post these videos twice a week. For right now, that's what I can do. And I hope you guys are having a great week. Me and my husband are about to embark on our little getaway, so I wanted to get this video posted for you guys and have a new cleaning video to watch. But I'm just gonna put everything back on these shelves before we work on the door part. We're also gonna be cleaning the freezer. There wasn't a whole lot to do in the freezer cleaning wise, other than just wipe out a few areas. But I can't wait to show you guys the dirt at the end of the video, because when I pull out my fridge, it's really gross. And that little bar that's at the bottom of your fridge that pops off like a little vent, I've never took that off before, so wait till you guys see all that dust. It was pretty gross, but I like when I can show you guys the dirt, because I know a lot of people are here for that. Even though a lot of the times in my videos my house looks already clean, trust me, it's not. I just am really bad about showing the before shots, so I definitely need to do that more often for you guys, so you guys can see a little bit more. But I've been posting some new short videos. I'm actually gonna have a laundry little short video going up for you guys on here, like a motivation doing my laundry, because I have a bunch of laundry to do, so I thought I'd just go ahead and make a little short video, so stay tuned for that. But I'm gonna be vlogging our little getaway trip, so if you guys want to go over and follow me on the vlog channel so you can kind of see everything that we get to do on our little getaway. So I'm excited about it, but I'm gonna hop off of here and go. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, like I said, and hit that subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.
Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Kinda used to these battlegrounds where you flee, you don't stick around, no. But the way you've been giving me time, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. You got the same old flaws, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Hoping you wouldn't change me. You got the same old flaws, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. You make me wanna do better, I don't know why. You make me wanna do better. You make me wanna do better, I don't know why. I don't know why. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. There is only one of you, only one of me. There's a million of those who won't let us be. But they're not gonna see me bleed. Cause baby, I got you. I've been beaten to the ground, dragged across the dirt. I've been scared to live cause some people never learn. But they're not gonna watch me burn. Cause baby, I got you. Here's to new beginnings and a better life. Here's to dancing underneath the disco light. They can try but they can never take me down. Ooh, cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to It's getting closer to midnight. I try to get closer to you, drinking courage from my red cup now. I will soon make a move. Ooh, I can taste it, the bittersweetness of taking a shot, a risk worth taking. If it's a shot at love, baby, I adore you. Maybe I adore you. Yeah, I'm feeling high, I'm up on cloud nine. Baby, I adore you. I try to focus on breathing. My heart is skipping a beat.